advocate very strongly data first and AI later, because there is a number of promises that AI is going to do miracles. But the simple fact is that it needs to be structured high quality data, otherwise it would not work. And especially in the clinical trials environment, that kind of high quality is even more important than it would have been in a preclinical, more exploratory research. That is the simple, short answer. There are progress about sort of dealing with AI and large language models and so on and so forth. One of the things that I think is interesting, but also a dilemma, is the black box situation, where companies is offering large language model, but it's absolutely impossible to look inside under the hood. I think there is an opportunity to go together in consortium in a governance model to create not a white box, but a gray box that can be open, and then different stakeholders, companies, service have their own sort of top training data into that. So gray boxes would be a next important step forward. Otherwise, it's a little bit of a conundrum. Absolutely, I think there is a very promising and exciting time ahead of us, because the federated EHR research platforms is now being mature, combined with high quality data in hospitals who are connected to those networks, provide a fantastic opportunity to conduct data-driven feasibility, leads to optimized clinical trial design in the first place, reduced amendments, and then using that technology with sites in those networks to actually recruit patients, and taking away the almost ridiculous 15-20% of sites recruiting 0 patients. And then the exciting thing of those sites is using e-source technology. It will be a fantastic transformation how we do clinical trials, where feasibility, recruitment, and execution is suddenly going into a synergy. So that will be an exciting time. I think that there is a convergence to a more robust, down-to-earth, realistic kind of promises, combined with evidence of vendors and evidence results that is pointing in a very interesting direction, compared to 5 years ago, where it was very lofty.